Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your location on Twitter or X account from PC. So you can see this is an interface of Twitter or X account. So what you need to do, you need to go any browser you want, then type twitter.com. Once you get this website, then simply click here, profile. Once you click profile, then again click the edit profile and scroll down, then here location. So it's not mandatory, you can use or you can type any country you want, or you can type anything, like if you type worldwide, or you can type any other things, like you can type your city name, your division name, your state name, your country name, whatever you want. And once you're done, you can type up to 30 character, okay, and then click the save, and you can see this worldwide added here perfectly. So this way you can add your location here. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.